I want to talk about transversals. These questions can either be super easy or super challenging just based on your level of understanding. So we're going to start by cutting our lines through those two parallels. So this is our transversal. It's cutting through two lines at two separate points. I'm doing it both with the lines being horizontal and vertical, so you can visually see how both of them work, because I see some students get them mixed up once that picture switches. But what happens when those transversals cut through the planes is you get two sets of 4 angles. So here's one set of 4 angles. Here's a second set of 4 angles. Here's one set of 4 angles. And here's a second set. So the first type of relationship is corresponding. I'm going to abbreviate it core. I'm going to use red to shade in some corresponding angles. So corresponding angles are in the same position in both of those sets of 4 angles. So notice what I've shaded in. They are both in the top left of those set of 4 angles. Looking over here, these would count as 4 corresponding angles. They're in the same position. So every single set of transversal has 4 pairs of corresponding angles because they have 4 different angles. So they all have a buddy that's in the same position on the other set of angles. The next type are my alternate exterior angles. I'm abbreviating. Each one has 2 sets of these. So what you need to know is I like to think of it as like an Oreo cookie. So there's the exterior on the outside. For the side-by-side ones, it's the wide part. And the interior in the middle. So like our Oreo cookie, we got a sandwich cream filling interior and 2 cookie exteriors. All of my analogies are food. They're all food. So when I'm talking about my alternate exterior angles, those are going to be on the outside. And the alternate tells me that they're going to be on the opposite sides of that transversal. So for example, I have this angle here and this angle here. They're both on the exterior, but they're on the opposite side of that middle line. When we're looking at our sideways example, we're still looking at the exterior and the opposite sides of the middle line. Those are alternate exterior angles. Then we have alternate interior angles. There's also 2 sets of those for every angle. Those are on the inside in that cream filling section, but they're on opposite sides of the middle angle. So for example here, I have this angle here and this one here. They are alternating sides, but they're both on the inside. On my other picture, that would be this angle here. And this one here. Alternate interior angles. Finally, I have same side interior. Again, there's 2 of these. These are going to be on the same side of that line, that transversal, but they're going to be on the inside. I've already shaded in 3 interiors, so we're going to share here. But this angle here and this one here are same side interior. This one here and this one here are also same side interior. So they are sandwiched together in the middle, but they're on the same side of that line. When in doubt, really look at the name of those angles and try to think through what logically does that relationship sound like in order to help you solve these problems.